He sees his reflection. You're one silly bird. Do you know that? Go ahead and do it some more so I can get pictures of you. You're really funny. Okay, if I walk over here, will you do it? Oh. Yes. He sees his reflection.
Yeah.
No problem with my car. That is the funniest thing I've ever seen.
He's beating the fuck out of himself.
He thinks it's another bird. This is his parking lot.
No, what would he do with another bird? He really be doing that?
He's like, these are my tourists.
I was talking to Matt.
No, this is still cool. He's just chilling right there. That's definitely a short whisper.
Stop looking at me.
Now he's embarrassed and he's laughing at him.
Now he's embarrassed, yeah.
He's like, well, I'm going to beat him up. It's just going to take time. I think he's beginning to show down. Stop looking at me.
He's coming down.
He's going to come after you, Dustin.
I'd drop kick him after me. That's what
I don't even know.
I don't even
What to do with
that's
that.
not freaking you now.
That is awesome.
I feel bad for leaving now. Oh.
Oh,
It's gonna come after you now.
it's really bad. I'm gonna rattle.